In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how you can set up a coupon code on your Wix website or store. So once we are on our Wix dashboard right here, you need to head over to the left-hand side bar. You want to scroll down over to marketing, and here is where you'll now see an option for discounts. Go to here, click on coupons, and then what we now need to do is we need to go to the top right-hand corner, click on new coupon, and then you'll get this pop-up window. Now you want to choose the different type of coupons that you want. So we've got a value, we've got a percentage amount, we've got free shipping, we've got a sale price, and we've got a buy one get one free, for example. So you want to choose from the different ones up here, whichever you prefer, and then you want to go down to your coupon code and you can choose whatever this coupon code will be. So for example, I will put in tutorial, and then you can go to the coupon name and then we can just put in, exactly what we've put in the coupon code if you like. What you want to do now is you want to choose the amount that this coupon code will be. So for example, it could be a £20 coupon or $20. And then you want to go to apply to, and then you can select the different products that you want to apply this coupon to. So you've got all products, a specific product. If you click on this, you will then be able to choose a product from your store. A specific category, again, you'll be able to choose the category, and also a minimum order total. So for example, if you want the minimum order to be £100 before you can get a coupon code and before this is valid, you can click on this. That will then put in the minimum, so you can put in £100 for example, and whenever someone spends £100, they will then be able to use tutorial 1 as a coupon code to get a £20 discount. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select include subscriptions if you want to do this. So customers will use this coupon for a one-time purchase and for every recurring purchase. So what this basically means is if you've got a subscription model on your website, your customer will get a £20 discount for the first purchase and also any recurring purchases after that. Now you want to go ahead and select valid between, so you can put in a specific date. So for example, I will put in the 25th of April, and you can select a don't set an end date, which means this will be ongoing until you do go ahead and turn this coupon off. Or you can put in an end date. If we turn off this and then select this, you can then put in an end date if you want to do that. Now you can also limit the number of users for a coupon code by selecting this option. You can then put in 100 for example. So once the 100 coupon codes have gone, that will mean that then that coupon code will then be invalid. You will then be able to select also limit to 1 per customer, and then you can then select create coupon code. Once you select create coupon code, as you can see, what this will now do is it will ask you if you want to send this through an email campaign or a social media post. But for this video, this is what it will look like after you have created it. As you can see, it does say scheduled because I put it on a specific date. But for example, if you put it on today's date, it will say active. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can set up a coupon code on your Wix website /store.